A group of state lawmakers taking aim at Governor Pritzker and calling for public hearings into how the Department of Children and Family Services operates.
WGN's Julian Cruz is joining us from our newsroom with more on that. Julian?
Well, Ray, we have new developments. Judge Patrick D. Murphy, a Cook County juvenile judge, finding DCFS Director Mark Smith in contempt for failing to find placement for a 17-year-old said to be warehoused in a psychiatric hospital. This as Illinois lawmakers call for a public hearing.
If that's not a crisis, I don't know what is.
We are here today to continue our call for immediate public hearings.
Where's the governor on this?
63rd District McHenry County State Rep Steve Reich in a virtual press conference focusing a harsh light on Illinois' governor.
This is a man who's not afraid to run in front of a camera every chance he gets, but on this one, he has been totally silent.
The downstate murder of DCFS caseworker Deidre Silas raising new questions about the agency's ability to protect workers.
These are questions that need to be asked on the record.
The horrific case of North Chicago's Damari Perry raising warning flags. The 6-year-old murdered on his birthday, investigators say, allegedly at the hands of his own mother, Janine Perry, who's been under investigation for years by DCFS.
DCFS had 2 investigations before the boy's death, including an abuse and neglect investigation where Damari's mother wrote a threatening message about harming the boy.
We have been under-resourced and understaffed for years.
The tenure of acting DCFS Director Mark Smith under the microscope. Legislators frustrated by the continuing problems.
Right here, this book, this is called Procedures 300.
Representative Reich pointing to agency red tape and what he describes as a mind-numbing bureaucracy standing in the way of a quick response when kids are in danger. Several times now, Director Smith held in contempt by local judges for failing to find foster care for children discharged from local hospitals, a problem first reported by WGN Investigates. At least 2 of those contempt orders, according to DCFS spokespeople, dropped this morning in court. In a written statement, the agency saying, quote, "We are working aggressively addressing the decades-long challenge of a lack of community resources and facilities for children with complex behavioral health needs, which has been exacerbated by an increased demand in social services in recent years." Now, Governor Pritzker's press office in a written statement saying, quote, "Since taking office, the governor increased DCFS's budget by over $340 million, with DCFS launching aggressive hiring efforts to bring on 860 additional staff. These investments passed without the support of the Republicans in the General Assembly." Pritzker's aides say that it was the previous Illinois governor, Bruce Rauner, who they say cut 500 youth beds without creating any new options. We know from reporting on WGN Investigates that the shortage of youth beds and foster care still a major problem for DCFS. In the newsroom, Julian Cruz, WGN News.